Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our English Learning Podcast. I am Alice, your English teacher, and as always, I am here with my fantastic co-host, James. How are you doing today, James?
Hi, Alice. Hi, everyone. I am doing great, thank you. I am very excited about today's episode because we are talking about something everyone has to do, even if we don't always like it.
That's right. Today, our topic is tidying up the house. We are going to learn essential vocabulary for cleaning, organizing, and doing household chores.
Exactly. If you are at an A2 level, this episode is perfect for you. We will practice short, useful sentences and learn some great action words. We will also practice the present continuous tense to talk about what is happening right now.
So, put on your headphones, grab a broom, and let's get started. Okay, everyone. Now, James and I are going to act out a scene. In this story, James and I are roommates. We share an apartment. But today, we have a big problem. My parents are coming to visit us in exactly 1 hour, and our house is, well, let's just listen. Oh my goodness. James, are you home?
Hey, Alice. I'm in the living room. What's wrong?
James, look at this place. The living room is a disaster. There are clothes on the sofa, empty cups on the table, and shoes on the floor.
Oh, yeah. It is a little bit messy, isn't it?
A little bit. It is very messy. And my parents are arriving in 1 hour. We need to tidy up the house right now.
1 hour? Okay, don't panic. We can do this. Let's divide the chores. I can clean the kitchen.
Thank you. Please do the dishes and take out the trash. The kitchen smells bad.
No problem. I will wash the plates and cups, and I will take out the trash. What are you gonna do?
I am going to make the beds and organize the living room. Let's start. Let's pause the role play right there. Wow, our apartment is a disaster. Let's talk about the vocabulary we just used. James, I said the living room is a disaster, and you said it is messy. Can you explain the word messy?
Of course. Messy is a very common adjective. It means untidy or not organized. When you leave your clothes on the floor and your books on the bed, your room is messy. It is not necessarily dirty with mud or dust, but things are not in their correct places.
Exactly. And because the house is messy, I said we need to tidy up. Tidy up is a fantastic phrasal verb for A2 learners. It means to put things in their correct places. You tidy up your desk, you tidy up your bedroom.
And then we divided the chores. Chores are the regular jobs you do in the house to keep it clean. Alice, you gave me 2 specific chores. You told me to do the dishes and take out the trash.
Yes, notice the verbs we use here. We say do the dishes. We do not say make the dishes. In English, washing the plates, forks, and cups is always doing the dishes.
And take out the trash means to carry the garbage bags outside the house. A quick pronunciation tip: when native speakers say take out, we link the words together. We say take out the trash. Listen and repeat. Take out the trash.
Great tip, James. And I said I am going to make the beds. Again, we don't say do the bed, we say make the bed. Okay, let's go back to the role play. We are cleaning fast. James, how is the kitchen going? What are you doing?
I am doing the dishes right now. Almost finished, but the floor is dirty.
Okay, I can help. Where is the broom?
The broom is in the closet. Are you going to sweep the floor?
Yes, I am sweeping the floor in the kitchen. Then I need to vacuum the living room rug.
Good idea. Wow, there's a lot of dust here.
I know. Please grab a cloth. We need to dust the furniture too. My mother hates dust.
Okay, I am dusting the TV and the shelves. Achoo!
Bless you. Try not to breathe in the dust, James. Let's pause again. We are working hard now. In this part, we used the present continuous tense. We use this tense to talk about actions happening right now, at this exact moment.
That's right. Alice asked me, "What are you doing?" And I answered, "I am doing the dishes." I used the verb to be, I am, plus the main verb with ing, doing. I am doing.
And I said, I am sweeping the floor. Let's look at that vocabulary. To clean the floor, we use different tools. First, I asked for the broom. A broom is a brush with a long handle. The action is to sweep. I sweep the floor with a broom.
A very important word here is floor. In English, we walk on the floor inside the house. Pronunciation check. It is floor, rhyming with door. Sweep the floor.
Then I mentioned the living room rug. I said I need to vacuum. Vacuum is a great word. It's a machine that sucks up dirt, and it's also the verb. You vacuum the floor or you vacuum the rug. James, how do you pronounce that word? It looks difficult to read.
It does look strange. It has two U's. We pronounce it vacuum. Listen closely. Vacuum. I am vacuuming the rug.
Excellent. And finally, James was sneezing because of the dust. Dust is that fine, dry powder that builds up on your furniture. When you clean it, you use the verb to dust. James said, I am dusting the TV.
Yes, I am using a cloth to remove the dust. Okay, we have 15 minutes left before your parents arrive, Alice. Let's get back into character and finish this cleaning.
Phew! The rug is clean.
The kitchen is clean too. I wiped the table and put the clean dishes in the cupboard.
Thank you so much, James. But wait, whose shoes are these in the middle of the hallway?
Oh, those are my tennis shoes. Sorry.
Please put them away. Put them in your bedroom.
Okay, I am putting them away right now. What about these books on the sofa?
Those are my English books. I will put them away on the bookshelf.
They're here. Are we ready?
Let me look around. The floor is clean, the trash is outside, the beds are made, and the dishes are done. The house is spotless. We did it, James. Open the door. And scene. We survived. My parents will be very happy. Let's look at the final expressions we used.
In that last part, we talked about organizing items. Alice told me to put them away. Put away is our second phrasal verb today. It means to put something in the place where it normally belongs.
Exactly. If your shoes are in the middle of the room, they are in the wrong place. You put them away in the closet. If your books are on the sofa, you put them away on the shelf. This is a crucial phrase for tidying up.
And because we put everything away, swept, vacuumed, and dusted, Alice used a fantastic adjective to describe the house at the end. She said the house is spotless.
Spotless. A spot is a mark of dirt. If something is spotless, it has no spots. It means it is perfectly clean, 100% clean.
It is much stronger than just saying clean. If you clean your house all day, it is not just clean, it is spotless. Your parents must have been very impressed, Alice.
I'm sure they were, and I'm sure our listeners are now ready to clean their houses in English. Before we finish, let's do a quick recap. It's time for listen and repeat. I want you to practice speaking out loud. James will say the phrase, and you will repeat after him. Ready?
Here we go. Repeat after me. The living room is very messy. I need to tidy up the house. I am sweeping the floor. Please put your shoes away. The kitchen is spotless.
Fantastic job! Now, here's your challenge for today. We want to hear from you. Go to the comments section and answer this question. What is your favorite house chore and what is your least favorite house chore? For example, you can write, my favorite chore is doing the dishes, but I hate taking out the trash. We will read and correct your comments. Well, that is all the time we have for today's episode. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Share this podcast with a friend who is also learning English, maybe your messy roommate.
Yes, send this to your roommate. Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us. In our next episode, we are going to learn how to order food at a restaurant without feeling nervous. You won't want to miss it.
See you next time, everyone. Keep practicing and keep your English spotless. Bye.